Hey Matt, what you doing?
Welding.
Grinding the weld?
Yeah.
Awesome, dude. Alright, here's a walk around of our 1963 approximately Dart A-bone Kart. It's got the original 4-inch tires. Those are Go Power wheels. We think they're original. This is the wide hoop model. The upholstery, obviously it's not original, but works out pretty good because it's a little thicker when kids are driving it. Just got finished rebuilding the rear end of it, starting to try to get it a little bit back more towards stock. Made a differential out of a Peerless unit that was for a golf cart or something like that. Had to lengthen one axle and cut some new keyways and all that kind of good stuff. The engine, just put that on there. That's a Honda clone from Tractor Supply. Actually runs really good. Doesn't idle too good. May have to work on that a little bit. Let's see here. Had to make the sprocket for it to get that to fit this rear end. You can see the underneath the motor plate, the splice where I had to put the two axles together and make a longer one. And up front there's the pedal extensions for the boys, and that's basically the go-kart itself.